session. On today's session, we'll be speaking about Boolean variables. So a Boolean, as we have seen on the other chapters that we've went through, it's a sort of a data type that can only store two values. So same with binaries, where you saw that we are able to store 0 and 1. On Boolean, we are able only to store two values, which is true or false. So let's just start with the examples. So within our examples, we'll just try to do simple things that we've seen before. So for example, if I go and say print for me 10 greater than 9, right, and then we execute this, you will see that the results become true because 10 is greater than 9, right? And then we can do another one. We can say print 10 being equals to 9, and then let's see the second results. It shows us that 10, if you check is 10 equals to 9, the results is false. So 10 is not equals to 9. So what you are seeing here is what we call conditional statement, right? We're still going to do conditional statement later on, but for now we're using them within the print statement. This is our output statement, and then the output is not supposed to be 10 and 9. It's just going to tell us the results, whether it's true or false for whatever we're trying to compare. So we're doing comparison. So if I try another one and say show me what are the results of 10 being less than 9, right? And you can already anticipate what's going to happen here. 10 is not less than 9, right? So basically that's how you will picture Boolean values within your code to say they are able to give you only true or false. There is no maybe, there is no other thing that is going to be displayed. It can only display true or false, right? So there are other statements that we will try to work with later on to see if ever we'll be able to catch up some knowledge there. So let's try the following example. Okay, so on this example, we just want to see what will be returned back to us. So we can be able to say print, and then we go and define a Boolean variable, and then on this Boolean variable we're trying to see, let's say we print hello, right? Let's see the results of this statement. It will be true, right? Now, why is this particular statement true? We'll get to that in a short time. We can do another one and say print a Boolean variable, and then in this case print 10. And then you will see that it will still be true. Whatever you will be trying to print, it will still print you that this is true, right? And then this can also be coming from variables as well. So meaning we can have this in this manner. We can say x is equals to the variable hello, and then y will be equal to 10. And then that means in our case now we can go and say print the Boolean variable, meaning we're printing it as a Boolean, the value of x, and then print as a Boolean the value of y, right? So let's see the result. It should give us the same result you see, which is true and true, because we're just referencing the same thing that we were speaking about before. So the Boolean function can only give you the results as true or false, right? It does not give you anything else, like the content of the value itself. It does not display that. It only gives you the results as true or false, right? So we can do more of this and try to check yourself what could be the results of these, what will be the results that will make you return false and things like that. Okay, so basically that's what I wanted to look into for into Boolean values, right? There isn't much I wanted to talk about on Boolean values, so we'll speak much when we get into the if-else statement. Okay, so thank you for attending this session. See you in the next session.